Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Based on some comments on some of my previous videos, few of you have asked me to make a video on the tools which are given in the bikes tools box, whether they are sufficient enough to tackle the emergency situations or not. That's really appreciating, and I really apologize for uploading the video a bit late. Before commenting to the main video, I have a very important disclaimer for the viewers watching this video. Please pause, read it carefully and then proceed. Alright friends, this is the tool bag given by Royal Enfield in my bike. I will be opening this and going to do some reality checks based on 10 situations where a biker can usually fix the issues without reaching to a service center. Tools looks quite decent, but would it help us for the right purpose? That's the question. The answer is this video. The one real situation where a bike rider goes really crazy with the spokes type wheelies, puncture or flat tire, and pushing this such a heavy bike till the service center is not at all possible. At least the tool which I have been given, would it help us? This spanner is a flat MS steel material. 24 mm is the size for the wheel axle nut, both front and rear. To hold it firm, a handle grip tool is given, which is common for many tools in this kit. Using this tool, I am trying to loosen the front wheel axle nut. There it is. It works well without slipping or damaging the nut. Many cases we may experience mileage issues or pickup issues. The reason will be very minor. The air filter blockage. The plus and minus combination screwdriver given in the kit, will it help a rider to remove the air filter and check it? Yes, though the handle is having a bit grip issues since it's made up of PVC plastic kind of material, it did help me removing and fixing the air filter. The very important part of the vehicle is brakes. The very nature of brake pads and shoes needs a frequent adjustment and maintenance. When it comes to bikes having dual disc brakes, the caliber pistons would adjust by itself automatically. In the drum brake setup, manual adjustment is required. Indeed, we have few spanners to fix this issue, but when I tried to open the master cylinder cap of the front brake, the screwdriver didn't help. After the brakes, the clutch cable is the second important part, needs regular adjustment or replacement as it gets older. The 12 mm and 10 mm combination spanner does the job perfectly for this. The chain, the power transmission medium between engine and wheels. It needs a frequent maintenance. Cleaning and greasing, well, that's your job. But setting chain tension, we do have a 6 mm Allen Hexa key, which does its job pretty decent. Well, city rides or highway rides, comfortable posture and easy handling makes the travel better. To set the handlebar, we do have 13 mm spanner in the toolkit. I don't want it to try and risk. Only specific tools are meant to handle this torque. The material and build quality of this spanner cannot handle. Anyhow, I am moving on to the shock absorber settings. We do have a tool in the kit to set the preload adjustment of the rear shocks. Only this tool alone wouldn't help. We need a lengthy, strong screwdriver or a metal fork to lift the spring. At the first time, it did work well on the left hand side, but it couldn't help me fix on the right hand side. Slipped and ruined the adjustment grooves. Number 7 is a very special number, and this task is also very special to me. Spark plug cleaning or replacing. Many breakdowns during the monsoon is because of the current supply failure in spark plug. The bit looks to be so high in quality and has the Royal Enfield logo on it. Look at the live reality. The spark plug bit itself doesn't fit right. I tried so hard. Since I had no breakfast in the morning, I couldn't be able to do the task. I had to use the hand grip tool for more support, and the final result was amazing. I couldn't be able to trust myself. Slipped. What if This is the scenario at the case of emergency. The spanner is good and the bit is damaged. I am fortunate enough for that spark plug didn't break. One of the easiest troubleshooting tasks in the vehicle is adjust the lights or replace the bulbs. The screwdriver which has been given in the kit works pretty well on removing and fixing most of the lights. And a tiny plastic fuse plier also does its job. Cannot say very well. Before concluding the video, I have a last task to finish the job. What else can be done with these tools? There are few tools with it you can adjust, remove or fix back many body parts. Mirrors with 14mm spanner, silencer shields, tail lamp housing, number plates, gear lever, side shields can be removed, adjusted and fixed back with 10mm spanner, while front mudguard, horn mount, silencer mount can be removed and fixed back using 12mm spanner. Let it be as it is. Put the toolkit back to its place or somewhere, you the one to decide. The toolkit comes with the bike, may help or may not. Being a vehicle owner, I invested on good toolkit which is saving lot of unnecessary service center expenses. Better have some beers than tears. Be safe and ride safe. See you soon.